morning, sir. Good morning, madam. My name is Reshma Murmu. I am 28 years old. I am married. I have two children. I am Christian. I studied up to high school level. I have 2 years of working experience in Bangladesh, having a family of 5 persons. In my ex-employer's house, I did all general household works and took care of one baby, one children, one elderly, one disabled, and one pet. In Hong Kong Training Center, I am learning all necessary household works like washing, cleaning, ironing, marketing, Chinese cooking, car washing, using all electrical appliances, taking care of baby, children, elderly, disabled, and pets. I am also learning English and Cantonese. Sinsang Thai Thai Le Te Ho, Oko Menkyu Reshma Murmu, Okamlin Isap Posol, Oshon Kyu Tuk Tuk, Oshek Tak Chuyok, Ohoi Chui Pe Thai Thai Le Te Shek, Oshek Chui Chung Kok Chong, Hochi Cheng Yu Tong Ku Cheng Kai Po Thong Thong Mai Kheta Shoi Chung Hokan. Liko Hai Shoi Pui. Liko Hai Cha Pui. Liko Hai Bhengko. Liko Hai Chan. Lipa Hai To. Liche Hai Un. Liche Hai Tip. Liche Hai Chicken. Liche Hai Cha. Little Hai Kaiji. Sir, madam, I need to earn more money to support my family. Please hire me as your domestic helper. I promise I will be very hardworking, polite, honest, and always follow your instruction. I hope we can meet in Hong Kong. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. See you in Hong Kong. Bye.